Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute llama. So you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw a llama. I'm starting with its head. Here's its ears. Now let's draw its legs. Let's complete its face. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using pale orange color in its leg. I'm using the same color in its face. I'm using my yellow pen. I'm using my red pen. I'm using my green pen. I'm using my red pen again. I'm using my yellow pen again. Here is my red pen one more time. I'm using my green pen. And I'm using the pale orange pencil. I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I'm using a pale green color. I'm using my pencil a bit. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.